Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold fell 0.3% against the dollar in the last trading session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The MACD's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
A senior official at the Federal Reserve is pushing back against growing hopes on Wall Street that the central bank could nearly be done raising interest rates. Fed Governor Michelle Bowman warned that multiple rate hikes could be required to get inflation back to healthy levels. Payments firm PayPal launched a US dollar stablecoin in a bid to boost the adoption of digital currencies for payments and transfers. The stablecoin, known as PayPal USD, is backed by US dollar deposits and short-term US treasuries. Weaker oil and gas prices dragged down second quarter net income for ConocoPhillips, but the USA producer nonetheless plans to sustain record production through the rest of 2023. The company pocketed $2.232 billion in net earnings for the April to June quarter.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US NFIB Business Optimism Index will be released at 1000 hours GMT, the US Redbook Index at 1255 GMT, Germany's Harmonized Index of Consumer Prices at 0600 hours GMT. The French exports will be released at 0645 GMT, Japan's EcoWatchers Survey current at 0500 hours GMT, Japan's EcoWatchers Survey Outlook at 0500 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.